Hello, so fast forward a little bit of time and we have arrived at our hotel, which is called Mint House. It is absolutely stunning. I didn't have time to show you the building downstairs because the taxi driver kind of like brought us in and everything. And when we came in, it was like down this really weird alleyway and I thought, oh my gosh, this looks awful. The scaffolding all outside the building. But you come in and it is just beautiful inside. I can't wait to show you how gorgeous it is downstairs, but I'm just going to show you the room for now. So we're room 506. So it's called Mint House, Anne, is it?
Yeah.
So this is like the entrance. Just go and stand. So you just go in. It's okay. Just go in now. So this is the entrance way. So we've just got all our luggage on a luggage rack here, but just so you can see how big this entrance way is. And then I'm going to shut the door behind me here. Oh, I can't because I'll put the lock on it. Look at this. So this is like all our luggage I've put here. Got all the space. Then as we come in, like on the left here, is like a massive walk-in wardrobe. It's absolutely huge. There's loads of space to put our clothes and everything. We've got a huge safe. We've got robes, we've got pillows, extra blankets, loads of towels. Iron and ironing board. It's massive, isn't it?
Yeah,
Down around here.
Really cool.
This must be like to put like your keys or stuff like that in a mirror. Then there's another little closet here, which I've just hung the coats up in. So that's where we could put like coats and shoes and things in there. And then straight ahead is like the first kind of little room. So this is actually a sofa bed. So this is going to be Matilda's bed. So this pulls out to be a sofa bed. So it's like a separate kind of, there's not really much in this little bit, to be honest. It is a bit kind of random in a way. You think it would have just had an actual bed in it, but I suppose people are just wanting more as like a little bit of a chill out area because there's no TV or anything. There's kind of a lamp on the wall there. And then that's the front door where we came in. So this is kind of Matilda's little area here. Then we're going to go this way into the huge open space. I can't tell you how big this is. It's absolutely massive. So we've got another cupboard here, which I said I think we could put the suitcases in there because there's no kind of hanging space. If anything, I said I wish there was a washing machine in there. Then there's just one bathroom, isn't there? There's one bathroom, so it's not a huge bathroom. It is just kind of basic. So there's toilet, mirrors. I don't think there's any storage on that actually. Oh yeah, there is. So there's kind of storage in that one. Don't know if there isn't. Oh yeah, and on that side. Oh, so there's some little things. Oh yeah, amenities behind mirror in the cabinet. So there's moisturiser in that one. Then there's some soap there. There's little cupboards here. So you've got bin, tissues. Oh, there's a hairdryer in there as well. Spare toilet roll, bin. Then we've got towels, bath mat, shower, and an extra one that you can take off, and a big one up there. Then you've got all these on the wall. So you've got peppermint shampoo, cilantro hair conditioner, and rum body wash. Then on the back of the door, there is a little hook there, so you can hang like your towels and stuff. And there's lots of artwork as well. There's lots of like these kind of pictures. Then we've got just kind of a random little thing with magazines and some paper. Then we've got a huge kind of countertop here. So it's got 4 chairs, and then it's got, I don't know what that like, there's like a roll of paper here. I don't know what that's for. Do you know what that's meant to be for, Anne? Yeah, like paper, and then I don't know if these, oh yeah, so they open, so that's like covered under there. Not that we're going to fill any of this with anything at all. I don't know if that, oh, it pulls out. It must be like a separate, like another little kind of bench top or something. Then we got like a little card with some Tate's Bake Shop, Southampton, New York cookies inside. And we also got some bottles of water, didn't we, as well, which we've put in the fridge. So we've got a bin here, full length mirror, and then look at this. It's like absolutely massive. Like this is a full, huge fridge. Yeah, boxed water is better, So we're never going to fill this fridge because we're not going to have anything to put in it. And look at that. Huge freezer as well. So we've got a fridge, freezer. Then there's storage up here.
I just want to point something out quickly.
Then there's like loads of cupboards and stuff. It's like a full kitchen really. We're not going to use all this. So there's glasses, mugs, various sizes of glasses. There's that's a kettle, isn't it, I think? Yeah. Kettle. All different kind of teas here. So you've got Earl Grey, Zen tea, refreshing mint tea. Oh, Mint House brew barista level coffee in 5 minutes. So it looks like we've got a sachet of coffee there and takeaway cups and the filters and stuff, yeah. I wonder if they refill your coffees and stuff like that. And there's a selection of kind of pans and stuff under that one. Under the sink, we've got some scourers and some dishwasher tablets. That's good. A hand soap there. And we've got, oh, I like them plates and bowls. And then like some proper, but that's like good, like bowls to put in the fridge, isn't it? Like if you've made too much food. Gosh, it's like being at home. Oh, toaster. Oh, there's another coffee thing. Oh, no. Gosh, wow, there's a proper percolator with more. Wolfgang Puck. Wolfgang Puck coffee, full percolator. Then you've got your cutlery in there as well, a full toaster. This is a dishwasher, and then look at this. My gosh, we're not even going to use this, I doubt it. Look at that, all the ware inside it, full range hood. This is a huge microwave as well. Yes. Crikey. Huge microwave. Just up there, but I'm just showing like all this stuff. Look at that. Oh, another kettle. That's an actual kettle for the stove, isn't it? Measuring jug, knife block. Then in here you've got more scissors, measuring cup, can opener, tin opener. Oh, little utensils in there. Tea towel. I honestly can't believe how big it is. Then we've got a huge, oh, they're good bits. They look like bean bags.
I know.
I've just noticed them, like comfy bean bags you can sit on. Yeah, this is cool, like this nice little lamp thing there. Then there's like proper speakers here, a phone, a big TV, remote, and then they've actually got a vinyl record player. I can't actually, with actual real records as well. So like you can really play records on it. It's so funky. Another big picture. I love these walls as well. It's like that kind of, yeah, it's like the concrete though. I think it's wallpaper, but it's like rendered. It's like rendered walls, but it's not really, is it? And then this is our bed. So your bed is kind of like right next to your kitchen. It's kind of open plan, apart from obviously Matilda's is where that radiator is there. That's where the sofa is, where Matilda's is. So Matilda is like separated a bit, which is nice because she's got like her own little sofa bed space down there. Then obviously the toilet's just there, so she's near the toilet as well, we all are. You can come in here and be in the kitchen. There's a lovely little chair here to sit on, a little stool. Then there is USB ports here, I can see. And on the other side as well. Yep, and there's little lamps, they're nice. There's USB ports and lamps and plugs. And then, oh, what's this? Like just a little bench to sit on and put your shoes on or something. And another one there. And then the view, we don't actually have a view. You'll see literally, we've just got like, it's office blocks, isn't it? But if you see there, like that's kind of like what the building is like inside. It must be a really old building and they must obviously be doing it up because it is, honestly, when we go down in a bit, I will show you because it is absolutely beautiful. Not decor, what's it called? Decor, yeah. So you can see like up there the buildings and stuff. Like I said, it's beautiful. I can't believe how big it is. Like it, honestly, it's very quiet, isn't it, as well? Really, really quiet. Yes, Matilda.
They have no normal taste, so you can't have a normal cup of tea. It's Earl Grey.
Yeah, Earl Grey is like normal.
Yeah, but
tea.
like some people don't like Earl Grey.
We don't have people. Yeah,
a lot of people.
A lot of people know to bring their own kind of drinks when you come on holiday and your own tea and things if you come on holiday. But it's nice because it's like a nice soft rug there when you jump out of bed. Your feet are on the rug. But then this is kind of all like this. I just can't believe the space. This is just like utterly amazing, isn't it? And then like all the way back to the front door here. So Matilda's got a lovely cosy area here. Oh, she's already got a switch out, biscuits, all kinds of stuff, a book. And then obviously she's just close to us because we're just like right there.
It's like if only
And then like the wardrobes here. What, sorry?
Far enough away.
Yeah, I think it's nice that we've got all this space. Like, even like at night time when you come back, you could just kind of lie on there and read your book for a bit and chill. There's another chair. Funky.
cool.
Like a pegboard.
Yeah, like you.
You're probably like meant to like hang keys on them and stuff, aren't you? I'm assuming.
I put this here, so we could put them in the middle.
But I think we're just going to end that here for now. And like I said, we are here. I told you about the security and stuff. Well, our bag did come off eventually, only about another 5-10 minutes after I think I filmed. But it took an hour and
40 minutes.
was it an hour and 40 minutes to get here in a taxi. Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, long time. I think because of he said it's traffic's like mad at this time of year. He said it's really busy. But he said it's one of the best hotels to stay in, didn't he though?
Yeah, he said we've got a really good.
He said you've got a really good hotel. He said the amenities are amazing. So there's a shop downstairs as well as the hotel has its own shop. It has a gym. It has laundry facilities on the 6th floor. So obviously as the week goes on, we'll show you more and more of it. But I think we're just going to have a little get together of ourselves now and then we'll catch up soon.